Hello everyone, welcome to House Decor. Today in this video, I am going to show you some cottagecore aesthetic home decorating ideas. Let's take a look. Cottagecore aesthetic home decor is all about creating a cozy, nostalgic, and nature-inspired environment that feels like a peaceful countryside escape. Here are some practical tips to create a cottagecore aesthetic home decor that feels cozy, timeless, and nature-inspired. Layer textures. Mix soft gauze, lace, crochet, and knitted items. Combine patterned cushions with plain ones to create depth. Rugs, jute, braided, or floral rugs make rooms feel warm and inviting. Soft, romantic colors. Stick to pastels and muted earth tones. Shades green, dusty pink, cream, soft blue. Avoid bold or neon colors. They clash with the serene countryside feel. Use white or off-white as a base to keep spaces airy. Decorate with nature. Fresh flowers, potted plants, and herbs make your home feel alive. Display dried flowers, pine cones, or branches in vases for a rustic touch. Vintage and handmade touches. Incorporate antique or thrifted items, old clocks, teacups. Handmade items like crochet pillow covers, knitted drawers, or embroidered linens add charm. Small imperfections in vintage items enhance the cozy feel. Soft, warm lighting. Avoid harsh overhead lights. Use table lamps, fairy lights, and candles. Warm yellow lighting is better than cool white for creating a relaxing atmosphere. Cozy corners and reading nooks. Create small sitting areas with cushions, drawers, and soft rugs. Add a small bookshelf or side table with favorite books and a mug of tea. Kitchen and dining charm. Display rustic kitchenware, animal mugs, messengers, wooden spoons. Open shops with neatly arranged plates, chairs, and vintage teapots enhance the cottage vibe. Cozy lighting. Use multiple light sources instead of one overhead lamp. Fairy lights, soft lamps, and candles create a magical, cozy glow. Curtain and outdoor spaces. Even small balconies or patios can reflect cottagecore, plants, small benches, or fairy lights. Wooden crates, vintage watering cans, and flower pots double as decor. Keep it lived-in, not perfect. A little imperfection adds charm. On wood, faded fabrics, slightly mismatched patterns. Comfort and warmth are more important than a perfectly stretched space. Cottagecore is about relaxing, enjoying nature, and embracing simplicity. Vintage collections display small curated collections, tea cups, old books, glass bottles, or antique plates. Arrange them on open shelves, sideboards, or in glass cabinets. Soft seating and comfort. Layer cushions of varying textures and patterns on sofas, chairs, and window seats. Use puffs, floor cushions, or soft rugs to create casual seating areas. Rustic storage solutions. Wooden crates, wicker baskets, or vintage trunks make functional decor. They hide clutter while keeping the rustic countryside feel. Kitchen charm. Hang copper or wooden utensils on walls for a rustic touch. Keep some ingredients or baked goods on display in glass jars. Embrace patterns and layers. Mix florals, gingham, plaid, or lace in moderation. Layer patterned cushions with plain fabrics to avoid visual clutter. Nature-inspired decor. Branches, dried flowers, or pine cones in vases give rooms a natural feel. Cozy corners and reading nooks. Add a small side table with a candle, book, or cup of tea. Use a comfy chair with a throw blanket for a personal retreat. Seasonal touches. Switch decor according to seasons. Autumn leaves, winter pine cones, spring flowers. Small seasonal items on shelves, tables, or mantels keep the home dynamic. Lighting and ambience. Warm, soft lighting creates the ultimate cozy feeling. Fairy lights, candles, lanterns, and vintage lamps work best. Avoid harsh overhead lights. Indirect or layered lighting is key. and personalized. Incorporate your own crafts, knitted blankets, embroidered pillows, painted signs. Family heirlooms or antique finds tell a story and uniqueness. Ceiling and architectural details, exposed wooden beams or fox beams and rustic charm. Painted candeliers or pendant lamps with a soft glow enhance the romantic vibe. Mirrors and reflections, antique or distressed mirrors add depth and charm. Mirrors with floral or ornate frames fit perfectly into a cottagecore aesthetic. Flooring details, wooden floors painted in soft pastels or left natural are ideal. Layered rugs of different textures, braided, floral, or linen mats. Cozy textiles everywhere. Layered blankets and straws on beds, sofas, chairs, and benches. Mix knitted, crocheted, and embroidered textures for depth. Keep cushions soft and abundant for a lift-in feel. Kitchen and dining details, mason chairs, animal wear, or vintage ceramic chairs can store pantry staples. Display fresh fruits, herbs, or baked bread on counters for a homely look. Thanks for watching the video.